Hello friends, today I will show you how to make a cross knot. This knot is similar to the triangle knot that we saw in the last video. It is super easy and can be used to create fancy patterns for macrame. Take two strings and tie a lark's knot. Now observe how I work with the strings to make a cross knot. Pass this long string from here . Pass the same string from this loop and pull it down gently. Pull the strings and adjust them well. Arrange the strings to make a neat looking knot. Don't forget to watch the next video where I will show you how to make a Chinese knot. Stay tuned to What's Your Hobby. Watch the next video, Macrame Chinese Knot.